Can il miag Dh'iarr da muirt.
Can il mi ag ira de dam?
Is that very much?
No.
No.
Haniel mi ag irid da muck. I am not wanting this muck.
I am not wanting 2 pigs. I love this. The one's enough. The one's enough. I like this though. This is good.
2 pigs. Now interesting. I have plural. I haven't got as far as the plural of pigs yet.
Dha Marie Goid Drathis Rithist.
Ta Mairi a good threates aritist.
Arthritis? Someone has arthritis?
My friend Mary understands Portuguese.
Mairi is stealing underpants again.
Marie stealing underpants again.
Mari's stealing underpants again. But it was difficult because she had arthritis.
Thami ag ith sleep. Thami cho tolicha. That definitely means toilet at the end, I reckon.
I need the toilet, maybe. That means toilet, I think.
That's a toilet.
Where's the toilet?
It's something with toilet.
I'm eating a turnip. I am so happy. Well, that's not too bad.
I'm eating a turnip. I'm so happy.
Oh my god.
I'm eating a turnip. I'm so happy.
Zial daml don pheuchainn.
I have no idea.
The seal is laughing.
My buttocks are frozen.
Look, my buttocks are frozen. Oh my god.
I feel so uncultured right now.
I love it. I love it. This is great.